here is the unit, the old unit that we sat on for many years with that annoying compressor, and it was just sitting here until it was loaded up to the truck. Here's the evaporator coil. There's the furnace, which is quite interesting. And I didn't realize how heavy that was. There's a date of when it was probably put in. LuxAir. There is your controls and everything, which is quite interesting. If only we knew the brand of this thing. Yeah. Stamped Opticon would definitely like to have me do this, but here's the base that the unit sat on. There's literally no brand on this thing, which is unbelievable. How do you not have a brand name for this? So weird. I think the logo, the tag must have fell off or something. It's 2006, so obviously, yep. It was a good unit. It was a good system. Alright, I'll show you the unit. And here's the new Amana heating and cooling system. Getting charged with refrigerant. That is cool. Take a snapshot of that. That is cool. Yep, it's getting charged, so we can use it. That would be bigger, but it's kind of a decent size. The carrier was much bigger than this, but there's not really that much of a size difference, which I'm surprised. And they probably have to clear all that overgrowth out there as well. And yep, I like the fact that they actually didn't have that much room on it. That's nice. They just decided to. There's the compressor. Looks like a scroll compressor there. That's cool. Yep. We'll see this in the summertime running. It's currently getting charged. Yep. Amana. Or Amanda. I don't know how to pronounce it. There's your controls. Everything else. That's pretty cool. See that? That's probably the first time I've seen units like that with their stuff inside. There is the capacitor right there. It's a nice size capacitor. That's cool. Alright, I gotta go eat lunch. Anyways, I'll check out the third furnace later, but for right now I gotta eat lunch, so stay tuned and thanks for watching. Okay, so a day late. Here is the Amana furnace. Believe it or not, it just started. I just noticed it's just started just now. Obviously, I didn't realize there was like a size difference or whatever. But I didn't realize there's not really that much of a size. Well, maybe there is a little bit of a size difference. I'm not sure. There's the switch. Did they keep the original switch? I don't know if they did or not. Well, that's interesting. I don't think I've seen that before. What is that, I wonder? Some relay of some sort? But where's the humidifier? Humidifier's gotta be here somewhere, right? Or... oh, look at that. Oh, there's the humidifier. Duh. That's weird. And then here's the controls for it. That's interesting. Yeah. Well, that's interesting how they put the where they put the humidifier right there. I find that very interesting. This thing. I meant to tell you guys before. This is a working toilet, by the way. It actually is the only thing that's working in this. And I'm telling you, it's literally a working toilet. See? That's the only thing that's working in this back room. Isn't that funny? Yeah. So yeah. That's the company that put it in. Let's see, I think the thing that we saw was the, what was it? August 2nd, 2019 was the last date we saw that the last thing was, serviced. That's the only thing I remember now. I have the video to prove it, I think. This is the, vacuum, the central vacuum cleaner. I don't know if it still works. I just haven't really turned it on in quite a long time. And sometimes I would turn it on these days and then we'll just shut off the breaker. Yeah, I haven't really turned it on in a long time. I'll have to see if it still works, because it's been like, what, 6 years? 5 years? 6 years, holy crap. It's been 6 years since I turned that thing on. You can see that they actually did the duct work on this thing. And they must have like reduct the whole thing. I'm not sure what this is going to be for. Either it's going to be for... looks interesting. I don't think I've seen this before. Last time I saw a thing being installed was a long time ago. It was like our last house when the carrier was being put in. I was only 6, 7, or 8 years old at the time. This is the evaporator coil, by the way. That's what it is. Oh, it's shut off. Anyways, that's it for the furnace. I just wanted to show you that. And here is the Amana air conditioning system all ready and set up. I didn't realize that the data sheet is down here. As you can see, there's the data sheet. Can anybody read how many tons this thing has? That'd be nice. People should really tell me what tons these are, because I would like to know. Yeah. I didn't realize it, but there's like that thing on the top there is a sound blanket. Oh, look at that. Already there's a spot on the fan blade. Freshly new fan blade. As you can see, it is a little wet. Probably from the rain or whatever we had last night. I feel like my Aunt Mimi's heat pump, she has a heat pump by Amana. And I do believe her heat pump... Hang on a second. Sorry about that. I don't understand. But, to tell you the truth, like I said, my Aunt Mimi has a heat pump that's by Amana. I think hers is a little different than this one. Hers is a lot different than this. I'll have to film the heat pump. Probably won't be there until the summertime. But this is an air conditioner, unlike hers, which is a heat pump. There's the energy guide. Your warning system. I don't know what that is. Oh, is that a filter dryer? Yeah, it looks like a filter dryer. Yep, that's the filter dryer. Internal filter dryer. And there's the disconnect box, but it's not the one with the duckling on it, but it will work. Anyways, I think that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching. And yeah, Amana. Very cool brand.